This.
Slim away.
Skin tight DeMarco is over here.
Slim away.
Too sweet when I ain't on you. You're too sweet when I ain't on you. Too sweet when I ain't on you.
Boy, I'm charging you, bro. I'm charging you.
For what?
I'm famous, bro.
Hallelujah, kesa bombana. Dia, oh yes, I hype. Lati, bombana, my friend. Sorry, that was a bit extra. I apologize. I'm a bit like, oh, cut here, dog. Oh, this looks so clean, dog. Oh, this so clean, dog. No, where to get the people are from? Hey, wait a minute. I'm not going to do something. I'm big part of it. A beer mad thing I go on.
Man, mad thing
Big
I go on.
DJ, big DJ.
Boom.
What's a boom? What's a boom?
What is it? What is it? Rooftop what?
Rooftop soda house.
Rooftop soda house.
Rum and bass.
Mad thing.
The girl them all pop champagne before we dog. Hey! I know what going. Okay? Taking a video. White boy, get out my video. Get out my video. Come on. Anyway, music there, find the vibes and everybody out here. Woo! And of course. You happy? Oh, you hype so? What do you cool at the bonnet? Oh, you hype so? Oh, the sliders on deck? Oh my! Yes. Food there in abundance, people. Come through Lattice Kitchen. They take all them something there. So just link her up on the IGBT. Oh! Oh! Oh, damn. Damn. Ooh, sliders! Sliders, you go! White castle, they go. Oh, snap! No. Laddie, what's going on here? Laddie out here chefing up with the support system and staff. Alright, so, hey, go ahead.
It's your boy DJ Haitian boy with my lady. That's the kitchen, Latoya. Right here we have a Haitian delicacy. It's called pickles.
Pickles.
Yes, it's like a spicy, like cabbage, carrot, onion. It is exceptionally good.
Alright.
Make sure you try that.
Alright.
Yeah.
Cool, man.
And who made it?
Who made it?
This man made it.
You know, they're in Japan. Follow me back. I follow you as well. DJ Panda, official Panda, _Panda 2. Alright, cool.
Alright, so flip it.
SoundCloud, give me a call.
Taking this off.
Out in the streets today, and wow, I didn't know she could dance because all she did was stand up and drink all day. She always drinking. And what, can you dance though? Really? No?
Show him.
She only can do, you know. What? She's assaulting me. Hashtag me too. We're all here in the streets. She called me DeMarco. Why did she call me DeMarco? Wait, where is it?
Follow, subscribe.
Let's block his face right here.
Like and comment underneath.
All of that. SoundCloud. PigglesDiGaijin. What up, them? Tell me, say me ready for the war. People pre-mingle later, but I think the name of it. Bam, bam. She calls me DeMarco. I don't know why. Do I look at DeMarco, guys? I think I just look handsome. That's all. Wow. But I just think I'm a genuinely handsome guy. But she says I look at DeMarco. I forget slimmer than this.
Slim away.
Skin tight DeMarco is over here.
Slim away.
She plays for Arsenal, guys. So check her out on her follow her on Instagram. She has not one Arsenal picture there. She has not one. She has one. So it's questionable, but we're gonna give her the benefit of the doubt until you see more content.
See my cops.
What again? Oh, okay. I thought I saw something with a girl. Then she murder people in a broad daylight. Cartel noir. Them call her Siva. Babylon. She's not amused. She also says, but we can't say it on camera, right, guys? So don't assume anything. She is not. Wow. And that couple over there was so into our conversation, they told us how to order something. Hi guys, thanks for making it to the end of this video. Remember, the WarWarPan official giveaway is still on till the end of July. Head over to WarWarPan official's Instagram page, hashtag PDG7000. Mention a friend to increase your chances, okay? Your name will be entered into a random generator and you'll be able to win one of 3 prizes. One of the sweatshirts. So there are 2 sweatshirts and a dad hat. So you'll be looking fashionable out in these streets. Okay, cool. And next, I'll be performing at the Jamaican Beach Fun Party Volume 4 at Oasis Beach in Zushi. Alright, so you get to the Zushi station in Kanagawa, then you take the number 13 bus and get off at this bus stop here. Alright, there'll be Jamaican performances, Jamaican dances, Jamaican singing, Jamaican games, Jamaican snacks, Jamaican foods. And yours truly will be performing an acoustic set. Alright, starts around 2 p.m., finishes around 9-10ish. So come through. No costs. Just bring a little money to give to the performance if you feel so obliged. Alright, it's all about the Jamaica Beach Volume Party Volume 4, you know. Yeah, again. Because the guy is a Jamaican YouTuber. Ikibashu! Look at these tourists. Look at these tourists. Look at this. Could somebody look at this? Look at this. Look, somebody come and look at this. Look at this. Alright.
I was so cute.
We love Tokyo, yo.
Tokyo! You said good?
Tokyo.
How about you?
Good, I'm good.
Is it first time to come here?
Yeah, first time.
Oh, nice. I have a Tokyo. I recommend you Tori up. Pussy. Yamero.